Hello student, I am Anup Mallick, your teacher for analog communication in this semester. During COVID and lockdown period, some of the classes have not been arranged to avoid contact. I have tried meanwhile to make some note and give you some overview as much possible. There may be some problem in watching this. We will see how to rectify them. So, like the other classes also or other subjects also, I will at first give a short overview regarding the prerequisite of any communication subject. As we know and already discussed, that Fourier series and Fourier transform are the two important tools we must know while going for communication study. So this is the overview. In this class we will try to make an overview of the subject Fourier series and Fourier transform. We will also try in the later classes to provide some application to show some important features of these and how these Fourier series and Fourier transform helps in communication. But for this time being, let confine to the discussion of what the basic conception of Fourier series and Fourier transform. But before that, what is more important is understanding regarding the elementary signals. It is the you can see the elementary signals, sine, cosine, and how they are represented, and how the exponential signals have been represented in page 1a. Here the delta function is also been discussed and how it has been approximated, it's shown. In page 1b, it is continuation of the elementary signals. Here we have given the rectangular function, and the sinc function, and also the signum function. Page 1c, it is a picture taken from my previous lecture regarding the orthogonality of signal, and a brief history that we have already discussed in the class regarding different form of Fourier series representation. Then we have done some Fourier series for square wave, especially square wave. The other several types of Fourier series of different waveforms have been done in the class. Keeping all these things in mind, we are recapitulating this Fourier series, the Fourier series of this half period square wave, how it is, and if the second half is 0 is shown, and later after the after few classes you will see the signal also can be calculated using this Fourier series. Here also we have seen a square wave, the different coefficients has been calculated, and then the power of the signal using the Fourier series have been estimated. Page 5. Okay. Then we have we have missed one page. This page also, this page 2, number page 2. Here also we have done calculated the Fourier series of a square wave, polar here, bipolar in this nature.